Hey guys, how are you? So I'm gonna make a video today on Dollar Shave Club. Buy into Dollar Shave Club, or you guys have ever wondered if you should. Um, I'm just gonna give you a little review of my starter pack that I purchased. So yeah, let's figure out how to open this first. Cool. So it comes with a pamphlet, um, a public service announcement, your bathroom readers. I owe you 6 million coins by some leprechaun. I owe you 6 million coins. Interesting. Professional leprechaun's guide to St. Patrick's Day. I'm assuming the leprechaun is supposed to represent the male with the goatee or like the beard. As you can tell, like he has a really nice beard, I guess. It's just like a drinking. I don't know. Anyways, this isn't really what I cared for or came for, rather. Oh, the members handbook. Sure. Honestly, to tell you guys how it came, basically this is exactly how it opens. It says, "Oh, well done. You have excellent taste, practically." And then it opens like this. You remove the leprechaun pamphlet, and then it says, the membership handbook. Pretty cool stuff. If you guys are wondering, this was basically $4.99. Um, it was like a promotion I did for, I believe, I forgot what it was. But yeah, they were giving let's see, 4 cartridges, like removable blades. So 4 of those removable blades, 4 cartridges. Hand wipes. Ooh. Your razor, which I'll get to, and ooh. Wow, you have body cleansers and you have shaving butter. Interesting, but I'll get into that. Let me tell you, packaging, I'll give it to them. For $5, for $4.99, the packaging and everything is included. I feel, I mean, you basically go where you go to Walmart or any superstore. You buy razors. How much are the Gillettes? It's like one of the stand and 2 razors or 3 maybe if they're being generous for like $11. Anyways, all right. So back to it. The membership handbook. Ooh, okay, so basically, welcome to the Dollar Shave Club. You've made a very smart decision. Never again will you trudge to the store for overpriced razor blades. Exactly what I just said. Gone also are your days of squeezing shave out of a dull old blades rather. Yes, starting now you can treat yourself to a fresh blade shave every week. It is the pinnacle of grooming luxury, and you'll be hooked on how great it feels. This is your handbook to explain what is in the club. It's not complicated. In fact, you're about to have a lot more time and money on your hands. Makes sense. I know you'll send them both wisely. Spend them. And that's the signature of the founder. That's pretty cool. Oh, okay, cool. So basically this shows me what I ordered. I ordered they give you like 3 different blades, right? So basically I ordered the one, like the biggest one, which is the one highlighted. It says the executive. Your blade, meet your new razors. You've made an excellent choice. Like you, the executive is muy successful. Muy sexy. If you guys are really wondering if it says muy, it does say fucking muy. Look, you guys, fuck, hold on. You guys see the muy sexy? Oh, fuck, hold on. Damn, it feels bad. Anyways, that's supposed to say muy sexy. I know my camera quality is fucking garbage, I'm sorry. Muy successful, muy sexy. I mean, I'm Hispanic, so that's awesome that they incorporate stuff like that. That's cool. Alright, so the first one is the Humble Twin. I'm assuming that's like, the like standard, a dollar. Dollar, makes sense. And then the 4 times, which is the one in the middle. Oh, I like the grip. And then the executive, which is the one I have. The grip on that one, yeah, I can tell it's pretty nice. But yeah, so if you guys want to see it again, I ordered the biggest one basically. Again, I didn't order it. It was more like the promotion. So it's like $4.99. It gives you like the starter pack for the members, for the Dollar Shave Club, rather. Okay, cool. It's pretty cool. I like that. Alright guys, onwards. Let's see, the first thing that's on top of it are the wipes. So it says one wipe Charles. One wipe Charles. Okay. It says gentle and effective, aloe vera, camille, chamomile, rather. The civilized way to wipe makes sense. But how many are in there? One wipe? Yeah, I'm not gonna use that. I guess this is for like, you know, when I go on a date or something. I'll be like, whew. I have to like clean really quick, and I'm like, I can't shower either because I already have gel. You know what I mean? Other guys will understand what I mean. Okay, next thing we have is the blade. Well, not the blade, but like the handle. Let me remove it. It comes in a wrap, so this is the wrap, and I'm gonna remove it. Huh. Okay, so obviously this is for a man, cause like guy, like just the handle itself. This is for a man right here. You already know, guy. So, the material obviously this hurts. I mean, it's small, but this hurts. So you can already tell it's at least decent for 4.99. You can't really complain, you know. Again, they said it better themselves. You go to the store for an overpriced Gillette 11.99 garbage that you only have two blades, so that's what, 2 weeks. Because if some people, such as myself, where we have to maintain like our beard or just shave it all. Like I prefer to shave it all. I like the clean cuts, cause I have like the shadows, so it feels good, man. But yeah. So with that being said, oh cool. So it's basically it has a button right here. You push forward, boom. You saw it push forward. You push forward, and it removes the blade handle. Oh, it's cool. The future. No, I'm just kidding. The grip again. The grip is really nice. It's for a man. Like it's like ah, I like hit my hand on the wall and it really hurts. So okay, yeah, like I can do like forearm resistance here. Anyways, moving on. So again, the handle itself really nice. Again, for the 4.99 price, it's not just the handle. It also brought wow, shave butter and body cleanser. So I'm gonna read the body cleanser first. Amber lavender. Pretty cool. So this is the body cleanser. Yeah, body cleanser. Calming. It basically ingredients, original formulas, warnings. Yeah, basically. It's sulfate free. It's 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce if you guys, you know, EU, my boys. So yeah, so remember, 4.99 and it's bringing all of this, and I haven't, and it's bringing 4 blades, 4, not 2. Okay, guys, so this is the shave butter. It says formula NO for whatever, for effortless, delightful shaving. Okay, so I'm assuming that this is supposed to be like you wipe this on your skin, like you know you wash and then you wipe this on. I'm assuming. Hmm. Interesting. Well, I guess that's what the handbook is for. Maybe it'll say it there. Okay. Your life will be peaceful, fruitful, and shave butterful. Interesting. I was just looking inside. All right, cool. You can't teach an old blade new tricks. Oh, that's true. Change your blade each week. Okay, so this is the blades. You can't teach an old blade new tricks. It's the truth. They do rust and dull over time. So why cut yourself when you can just get a fresher, easier cut, right? Each week, bro. Wow. Obviously, you know, razor blades are razor blades. You can't really say, yeah, man, fucking this is Mithro to all my OS fans out there. This is some Rune Knight gear right here. But anyways, Dragon. So yeah, so this right here, I mean, there's nothing else you can say. You're getting 4 blades for 4.99. You're getting 2 different types of just skin improving and shaving improving materials. for $4.99. You're getting this forearm you're getting this forearm resistant handle that you can easily reuse, I'm assuming, on any other blade, because to my knowledge this looks like the typical razors. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Let me put one on. Nice. When you take it off, you can tell that. Ooh, that's really nice. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. So over here, that bottom piece right here is like a rubbery cushion. It's like, damn, it's just rubber. It's just rubber. It feels really nice on touch, right? And then obviously the top part, the yellow part, was the like the I don't know what that material is. I think that's like not shaving cream, but I remember reading it. It's just like it helps with the shaving process, basically, like less friction. Yeah. Then your typical blades. Let's put this on. Okay, so it just snaps on. Just snaps on. And then so you have your blade, have your grip. Huh. How do you remove this? Now that's the bigger question. Yep, it's just extensive pushing. Extensive pushing, basically. Oh, I see. It's supposed to launch under that, but somehow it didn't. Unless I'm supposed to put it through that. Cool, guys. So I was able to take it out, guys. Let me just tell you, this is awesome. If you guys are looking to buy, not even, you don't even have to, it's online. This is all online. Literally just go to Dollar Shave Club, pick out which one you want, and it's just a monthly renewal process, and that's it. And you would get new blades every month shipped to your house. Like, I don't know what else you want, what more you want. You don't have to for all those people like myself who are antisocial, who are just like, I prefer to stay home, let me tell you guys, this is for us. So I mean, again guys, this was $4.99. This was the starter pack, but I mean, it was a special. I don't know if they have it anymore, but let me tell you guys again, it was $4.99. You're gonna go to a store. You can either buy, like, yeah, the dollar or the $2 razors. Have fun with that like sharp face of yours that's gonna have cuts, or you can get these blades that are at least gonna last you 1 week per blade. Plus it includes, I mean, come on, I showed you what it brought. It's really nice, guys. Just look it up, guys. Go into your Dollar Shave Club. See what they have to offer you guys. But that's gonna conclude it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys can do me the favor and just like this video or share this video if you're trying to get someone into the Dollar Shave Club, I mean, by all means, it'll be good for them if they knew what they were getting into, and it's good for yourself. Thank you guys again. Be safe.